President Emmerson Mnangagwa was once again hit by a power outage in the parliament while delivering his State of Nation address on Tuesday afternoon. Sarabina Mashoko Mnangagwa being hit by second power blackout at parliament was subscribed on the bell. For the second time, the head of state was left momentarily in the darkness as the lights went out during his speech, prompting aides to move quickly to restore power. The unexpected blackout caused a brief disruption to proceedings with the president, continuing calmly while technicians worked to fix the issue. The incident, which mirrors a similar power failure during a previous address, sparked outrage among government supporters. ZANU-PF online activist Cleopas Ngungunugwa expressed fear over the matter, calling it a calculated act of sabotage. This is pure unadulterated sabotage. Cutting the power during the head of state's address is a deliberate act to undermine the nation, Ngungunugwa said. That this is the second time it has happened is an absolute disgrace. The culprit must be identified and held fully accountable for this intolerable act. Leo mashoko kubuda panguva ino tinoona Ngungunugwa anozama kushifta blame vachiisa kune vanhu veopposition, but panguva ino zvasobuda pachena as proved neevidence yana Wigno Chivayo vakapiwa mamiliyoni nemamiliyoni emagwanda solar project anoonekwa kunzi to date hapana kana any single solar they've managed to deliver. Zvasobuda pachena kuonekwa kunzi they have failed. After uchionekwa kunzi there are some people who are being accused kuti vakaluta mari, they are being left to freely walk vachiita zvavanoda, especially nekutosvika pastate house vane mutungamiri wenyika, but the end result people they are now living in shadows. Chitwa chiri kushamisa vanhu munyika yeZimbabwe, especially tichiona achakoterera the head of state, the president of Zimbabwe, achionekwa kunzi during delivering his speech magetsi anoenda, chitwa chinonyadzisa kwazvo. Vanhu vanouya vachizvibvunza vachiti, so resolution number 1, how is it going to be implemented? Vachiti Zimbabwe iende ku2030 inava Emmerson Mnangagwa, but panguva ino vachiita mablackouts ari in the parliament. Tudze mafunguro enyu motokudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mira comment section medu zvafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.